Welcome to Developing Web Application using Bootstrap 4, a video course by Pact Publishing. In this course, you will see how to build responsive web application and a dashboard. I'm Todd Heppenstall, and I will be the presenter for this course. This course is the brainchild of Silvio Moretto. He is a developer with more than 7 years of experience, and he is also the creator of the Bootstrap Select plugin, which is a very popular plugin among the community. Besides this, he is very active in the open source community. Bootstrap is a free, open source collection of tools that help developers create websites or web applications. It provides a faster, easier, and less repetitive solution to designing and building websites and applications. Bootstrap offers a wide set of tools from PageGrid up to components that render a web page in the best possible way for any device. This is a step-by-step guide that closely focuses on developing interesting web applications in the most objective way. Here's how the course is structured. First, we will develop an app like Twitter with Bootstrap. With that, we will touch upon even more components and elements of Bootstrap. Then we will complete the elements of our web app with the use of other Bootstrap elements and components. In the third section, we will explain the main Bootstrap JavaScript plugins by using them in our web application. In the final section, we will build this dashboard from scratch to its final form. For this course, we need the latest version of web browser and Atom text editor. There is some versions of the framework, but in this course, we will provide support for the latest Bootstrap 3 version, which is version 3.3.5, along with the newest version 4, which is 4.0.0 alpha. When a feature or component is differently supported by one of these versions, we will point it out properly. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this wonderful journey.